Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Compass multi-purpose kayak and paddleboard carrier. This is one of the cradles. Two cradles are included. Here we have it in the stacker configuration to allow for carrying up to 2 kayaks weighing combined weight of up to 130 pounds. So in this vertical stacker configuration, you can have 1 kayak on each side, and you have the cradling support of the vertical tubular steel hoop with the dense foam rubber, and you have the rubber conforming cradle support area to provide excellent grip and traction for your kayaks as well as protection to the hull. Now you also have the option to angle the vertical upright so that you can carry a kayak in a more traditional J-style method, or you can have the upright completely flat in order to carry a kayak in the horizontal method, or carry up to 2 paddleboards, one on top of the other, in this configuration as well. Also in this configuration, this gives you very good clearance as well as the best possible aerodynamics when not carrying any watercraft at all. Now, the method of attachment to a roof rack is a universal style using carriage bolts, an underbar plate, and wing nuts. So this can accommodate a wide range of different crossbar shapes and sizes. Now, also included with this carrier system, 4 of Thule's cam buckle straps measuring about 14 feet in length, as well as 4 tie downs for the front and rear of your kayaks or the front of the paddleboard. So a full accompanied system to allow for easy transportation and very versatile transportation of a wide range of kayaks and paddleboards. This product, along with a full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Just see the link in the video description for all your buying options. And if you have any questions or comments about this system, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. Also, if the video was helpful, give it a like. And also, just know we have over 2,000 rack-related videos on our YouTube channel. So consider subscribing. We upload new videos weekly. And thanks for watching.